Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare SCHD with SCHV. In this video I'm going to compare expense ratio. I will look on a backtest, fund overlap, dividend yield history, what kind of holdings they have, so you will learn everything. I'm not going to say that in this video to which one you should invest because that's your money, what you want to do with them, but what I can do, I created a course on how we can make money with ETFs. You will find the link down below in the description, and if you know any other ETFs, share it down below in the comments, and I'm really happy to make comparison video or review video on that too. Now let me just show you straight away what we can find here. So first thing first, SCHD and SCHV. Expense ratio is lower with SCHV with lower assets under management and lower average daily volume. They have total stock market large cap value with number of holdings 527, dividend 100 index with SCHD with only 100 number of holdings. When you look on the holdings, we can find the overlap right here, that 57 of 100 holdings you would find in SCHV. On the other hand, only 10% of SCHV holdings you would find in SCHD. Now they are overlapping by weight by 16%. It's a really important number. And you can find the companies right here that they are overlapping with. Home Depot, Pfizer, PepsiCo, Merck, Verizon Communications, Coca-Cola, Cisco Systems, and you can see clearly here that they are not overlapping by many forums, and 16% is like not much. And that's pretty much it. Of course, SCHB got, as I mentioned, lower expense ratio. Oh my camera just went off. When we look on the performance right here, we can see clearly that, okay, 5 years back, 10 years back, 3 years back, SCHD was overperforming. And that's pretty much it. And we will look on a back test, okay, how well it was. Then we see right here SCHD and SCHV segments, financial both high. Then we have healthcare here for 13, here it's for 12, industrials, technology. It's like the SCHV is pretty diversified, what we can find. But when you look on the companies here, you see a Comcast, ExxonMobil, Pfizer. Here is Pfizer 2, Bank of America, Procter & Gamble company. And yeah, there are like not so much technology companies that are focused on different things comparing to like VOO or SPY and the others. Now, when we look here and when we look on the performance, this is really important. So let's say that we are going to start in 2010 with the $10,000 and we are going to invest, let's say $300 monthly to both, and we are going to rebalance annually, and we are going to contribute frequency monthly. Now, we are going to reinvest dividends too. So SCHD with SCHV, and I'm going to analyze the portfolio right now. What we can find is that you would make by $20,000 more with SCHD when we look to the past. You can see clearly right here. And you see also the performance here, that many times SCHD was outperforming SCHV. And $20,000 is a high margin. And when you look even on the dividends, you can clearly see that dividends, you would make more money with SCHD comparing to SCHV. So that's another thing to know about. And yeah, so to summarize this whole video, what we learned, what we can find here is that when we look on the dividend yield here, you see portfolio income, all dividends and distributions were reinvested. And this is like portfolio income that you would have. SCHD was better. I can't say that is it right now, but was better in the past. Yes, it got a higher expense ratio by 0.02, which is not much, but it got more assets under management, higher average daily volume, better performance from the past. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Definitely check the course down below in the description, how you can make money with ETFs. And I really enjoyed creating that course. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.